Along with that, my dear Dhamma friends, I'm going to be making fried potatoes. So first you'll need some potatoes, some garlic, some curry leaves and some green chili. Now you'll have to fry everything in a deep fryer pan. Fried everything, cut some onions and deep fry it. Now just put a tiny bit of oil in and then put some chili powder and then put some salt. Now mix it all up and then once it's finished you can add all of these stuff to it. Now you need to add some salt according to how much salt you like, add it. And now you need to mix it up and then your potato curry is ready.